Unity in the Community was held at the Norfolk Scope, spearheaded by Norfolk Public Schools and the City of Norfolk. This event offered plenty of resources for Norfolk citizens.
We get brand new shoes because you know how it feels when you are the first person to put your foot in that shoe. You walk a little different, you run a little harder, and it just makes you feel better and gives the kids confidence.
This is the second or third time we've been here. They're always friendly. It's always a nice setup. It's just nice that the community comes together to help folks that cannot buy, or this helps supplement what they have.
My daughters appreciate it because they have a lot of fidgets here and a lot of cool utensils, and everything is free. So it's very rewarding, and they love it. Coming, giving back out to the community for utensils, supplies, clothes, food. That's all you can ask for.
It's a fun way to spend the day, have a fun time with my grandson, and we just like it. We come down, walk around, no pressure, no worry about time, just have a good time with each other and get to know each other again sometimes.